We'll guide you through how to remove a Gmail account from your device or browser. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Google Account Settings page by typing myaccount.google.com into the address bar and hitting Enter. Once you're there, you'll see several options on the left-hand side. Click on the Data and Privacy section. Scroll down until you find the Data from Apps and Services You Use section. Here, click on Delete a Google service. You'll be prompted to sign in again for security reasons, so go ahead and enter your credentials. After signing in, you'll see a list of all Google services associated with your account. Locate Gmail, and click on the trash bin icon next to it. Before proceeding, you'll be asked to provide a non-Gmail email address to continue using other Google services like YouTube or Google Drive. Enter a suitable email address and click Send Verification Email. Google will send a confirmation email to the address you provided. Go to your email inbox and open the email from Google. Click on the link provided in the email to verify the address and confirm the deletion of your Gmail account. Once you've confirmed, your Gmail account will be scheduled for deletion. Keep in mind that this process is irreversible. Any emails and contacts associated with your Gmail account will be permanently deleted, so make sure to back up any important information before proceeding. That's it, you've successfully removed your Gmail account. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.